Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny. Fruit markets admin users inside today need to making here the nutrition edits screen to develop as well as need to call this here the update API. Now, first of all, need to creating here the screens. Now need to give this here the new files and to write down here admin item nutrition edits edit dot. That's like this. Give this here the screen names need to set here. First of all, need to copy this here the and nutrition screen, so need to copy here this data and to paste this here, and now need to replace the screen name with here the edit like here, and now need to pass this here the object as a nutritions, and now need to set this here the titles edit nutritions, like set here the titles, and we need to set this here the enters nutritions names, and we need to set this here the remove these buttons, no needs. Now need to clean here for the ads because need to only one text fields need to get here for this row. Now need to put here and replace with this here the row like here, so need to setting here and to remove this here this expand no needs, and we to clean here. Now first of all need to cut this here the this paddings and to remove this here the expansion, so need to paste this here, need to cut and to set this here. Now need to write down here admin nutritions updates, need to set this here the API name, so need to set here for this data, and to implicate here need to write down here, and then after need to set this here the parameters, need to set as a nutrition ID, need to like here, so need to pass here, and also need to set this here the name and remove this here sendings value, need to clean here for the list not now show, need to set this here the text fields, need to put here for this here txt name dot text, like going to write down here, and going to set here the message txt name dot text dot is empty, and to please enter nutrition name, like this. Need to set here the message, we need to set here, and also make sure we need to remove this here this area no needs. Now need to clean here, and two configurations are the done, so also need to unuse imports library to removing here, like here, so need to set here for the settings, need to need it and to set here and to write down here the update buttons, like this. Need to set here for the API calls, need to calling here, now need to done here, and we need to go inside here the, we need to write down here this edits, so need to click once, and we need to call here the data. Now need to go inside here the nutritions item add screens, and to find out here the edit buttons for these screens, need to go inside here this row, we need to find as a nutritions list here, and give this here setting here the edits. Now need to set here all scenes because we need to refresh again this list like here. Now need to write down here the weight, and to context dot push methods need to calls, and to write down here the admins item nutrition edits, and to pass this here the objects for this nutrition list semicolons. After need to get this here the API calls, need to write down here API nutrition list, like here need to calls, and to save here this API. Now need to test this here the edit scenario, we need to test for this UI. Now need to click on one, and here not getting here the new value, we need to fix this here. First of all, need to go inside here this edit screens, need to writing here, and make sure need to set this here the paddings as a 15, maybe set here symmetric is good. Need to set here the horizontals 20. Like need to configurations, need to set here and to set this here the size box. Give this here the height, so need to configure here the 13. Height, so need to given like here and show like this here. Also need to set here the top. Same here, so need to putting here, and we need to set here the maybe 20 is good. Put place like here, and on edits, so need to edit state, and we need to set this here the txt name dot text is equal to need to write down here the widgets dot objects, and we need to call here the name property, need to assign to string value, need to set here and to save here. Now need to click on backs again, so need to edit here and to get this value. Now need to update here the 12 and to update here and to change this here. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care. And tomorrow need to say this here that these items need to set this here the price management. So need to UI screens need to develop, and then after so need to integrate this here the API.